In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious iced sweet buns from the comfort of your own home. First thing we're going to do is weigh up all of our dry ingredients. To start, we're going to add 800 grams of baker's flour, followed by 15 grams of salt, 10 grams of bread improver, 90 grams of sugar, and 40 grams of yeast. Now that we have all our dry ingredients, it's time to add them to our mixing bowl. Mix all dry ingredients for 1 minute on slow speed. Now we're going to add 10 grams of butter and 35 ml of oil. Mix again on slow speed. Now we're going to add our 470 ml of water. Keep mixing on slow speed until all our ingredients come together. This will usually take around 2 minutes. Once our ingredients come together, mix on fast speed for 4 minutes. Checking your dough temperature is a key to recognizing when your dough is ready. Once our dough is ready, allow it to rest in the bowl for 2 minutes. Your final dough should be soft but not too sticky. Flour your bench to avoid the dough sticking. Now let's grab our dough out and place it on our floured bench. Push your dough out into a rectangular shape and divide it up into 100 gram pieces. Weigh each piece and make any adjustments as needed. Once you've done that, we're ready to mould or shape our buns. Use your hands to roll out each piece of dough to get the desired shape we want for our buns. We want our buns to be smooth on top, so make sure to be gentle to avoid any tearing. Once we've moulded all our buns, they're ready to be trayed up. Place baking paper onto your baking tray and spray with baking oil to avoid any sticking. Now, grab your buns one at a time and place them on your baking tray. Leave space between your buns to allow them room to grow during the proofing process. Allow your buns to proof for 1 hour. This time may vary depending on your climate. While your buns are proofing, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your buns are ready to bake, it's time to chuck them in the oven. Bake your buns on 190 degrees Celsius or 374 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 minutes. After 16 minutes, your bun should be golden brown and ready to come out of the oven. Place your buns on a cooling rack and allow them to cool. Gently split your buns to allow them to cool faster. Once our buns have cooled, it's time to make our icing. Add a couple drops of food dye to some plain fondant and mix well with a spoon to make the coloured icing of your choice. To keep your fondant soft, sit it in some hot water before use. Now it's time for the fun part. Grab yourself some icing, and what we're going to do is spread it across the top of our buns, like so. And once we have a nice even layer on top, we're going to dip our bun into our sprinkles. Same thing again here, except we're using some green fondant this time. Make a nice even layer of fondant on top and dip it into your sprinkles. It's that easy. Now we're going to mix it up by adding some Choc chips on top. And just like that, you've made yourself some delicious iced sweet buns that the whole family can enjoy. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed that video, please feel free to like and subscribe.